Welcome to KK's Kitchen. Let's make tandoori chicken. We need the following ingredients: chicken pieces, oil, salt, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half lemon juice, half cup curd, 1 tablespoon chilli powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon chicken masala powder, 2 teaspoons sumac. To marinate chicken pieces, add salt, turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, chicken masala powder, sumac, ginger garlic paste, curd, lemon juice and mix well. To make the chicken soft, marinate overnight in a refrigerator or marinate for a minimum 1 hour. Pour oil in a pan on medium flame. When oil is heated, add the marinated pieces. Fry on both sides so that the outer layer is cooked and the juices are locked inside. Add the remaining masala along with some water to the pan. Now close the lid and cook for 5 minutes on high flame. Now open the lid and cook till the water evaporates. Place parchment paper on a baking tray. Then arrange the chicken pieces on the baking tray. Pour the remaining oil on the chicken pieces. In a preheated oven, grill the chicken pieces at 180 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. Now tandoori chicken is ready. Transfer the chicken to a platter. Add ghee to the hot coal and close the lid to get a smoky flavor. Now enjoy the smoky, tender grilled tandoori chicken. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Take care.